Okay, so I am at Amtrak train station. I decided to take the train to Orlando for our cruise this time. My daughter is going to meet me at the Amtrak train station and pick me up from there. Yeah, she's taking another route to get to Florida, her and a friend of hers. So I am riding solo to Orlando. So, okay, my train departs about 7:30, so it's about 6 something now, so I don't have much longer to wait. Do have a stop in Savannah, have a little layover time there, well, quite a few hours layover there, and then be catching the next train to Orlando early morning. So as you can see, they do have outlets that you can use while you're waiting. Here you have your ticket booth and baggage check-in, baggage claim over here, ticket booth, and of course, like I said, your outlets. And security booth. More outlets. So you can get some charging done while you're waiting, which I am getting ready to do. Yeah. The vending machine. Water fountains. Restrooms. More seating and outlets, and of course the ATM. Okay, so I didn't bring a lot with me. I just brought this little backpack with me, small backpack, and my blanket, and of course my neck pillow. I don't go anywhere without it, and just one little tote bag with some personal things in there, and of course got me something to eat on for the ride. So the rest of my luggage is actually with my daughter in the car. She's going to Orlando from Atlanta. Her and a friend are going to ride together. So she'll be leaving out of Atlanta. So all of my luggage is with her, and it's already packed and ready to go. And I'll see them in Orlando when they pick me up from the train station. So before she dropped me off here, we did stop by the Publix so I can have me something to eat for the ride. They got me a salad instead of the sandwich. Instead of the sub sandwich, I just got me a salad from the little sub station at Publix, and of course this bowl of fruit for the ride and something to drink. And I got my water container full of water, and that'll be it for me. So this is actually my first time on Amtrak. I have never been on Amtrak before. This is actually my first time. Been on Greyhound, but I've never been on Amtrak. I've been on MARTA, but never been on Amtrak. This is my first time, so I wanted to do this and experience it so I can share it with others, and see if this is something that somebody else may want to do to get to the cruise port instead of flying or taking the long drive down. So this is another option. And then the pricing was good. It was very low. And if you're watching me for the first time, I am Talithika Williams of World Destinations Travel. This is my YouTube channel where I share my travel experiences and also my battle with lupus as well. So if you're liking the content that you are seeing, please remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I love comments. And please do share. Thank you. Spacious. This is coach. Check out the leg room. Okay, I have boarded, and now I'm about to sit back and relax and enjoy my salad. Okay, eat my salad and enjoy the ride. Okay. Next stop, Savannah, Georgia. And we are on. I don't do clean top, but I did bring my Lysol wipes to wipe off the table for this train ride, okay? But, glad I stopped and got this salad. It is good. Got some of everything in here, and it is good. See that? Bell peppers, cucumbers, tomatoes, banana peppers, olives. Got me some vinaigrette on there. Chopped smoked turkey and some honey mustard dressing. Forgot what else I got in here. Got some pickles in here too. Delicious. This other ghost here. Savannah, Georgia. Home sweet home. My childhood home. Small station. Okay, so I'm gonna be here until 4 a.m. It is 9:30. I do have family that lives here. I was born and raised here, so I have family like literally all over the city. And I'm quite sure when they watch this video, they're gonna be wondering how come I didn't call them to pick me up. Well, I don't want anybody to have to wake up early in the morning to get me back here to board the train. So I'm just gonna tough it out here for the next, what, 5-6 hours, I guess. I'm just gonna stay up, and I guess I'll probably do some reading and get some work done online, and I won't go to sleep until I get on the train in the morning. So, and I got like a 5-hour train ride in the morning, so I'll get me some sleep in the morning. I'm just gonna tough it out, on these hard chairs. The chairs were more comfortable in Charleston versus here. This is giving, I don't know what kind of vibe. I really don't want to say what I'm really thinking. But no, this is not the mood right here. But I'll never do a layover um, this long ever again. This is the first time for me, so I will never do a layover at the train station this long ever again. Now I could have taken the straight route, which left I think early this morning. But I would have gotten there like at 1 o'clock in Orlando, and would have had to stay at a hotel, and I didn't want to have to reserve a room uh, there when we already have one reserved for when we come back off the cruise. So I just said I'll just um, take the longer route and arrive Thursday morning. But anyway, like I said, I'll just pull out got me some things here to keep me entertained, and that's what I'll be doing, getting some work done. Um, I have a book that I haven't really had a chance to really read like I wanted to, so I'll be reading some of this and relaxing, I guess. Well, not relaxing, but just chilling out. I'm gonna lay my back on this bag and do some reading, pass up some time, and probably upload a video while I'm just sitting. I'm gonna put my back on this to get a little comfortable. But this is hard. This is hard, okay? All right. Okay, so we are in Jacksonville. Yes. Okay, so we just left the Jacksonville station. I am up and I'm getting ready to go over to the cafe and see what they have. It's a cafe. I'm gonna get some breakfast. Prices do not look bad. And I brought this fruit with me. This is my breakfast. I don't eat powdered eggs. Okay, so I'm gonna eat my bowl of fruit for breakfast because I do not eat powdered eggs. And I do not eat stale oatmeal, and they said they didn't have any bagels or grilled cheese. So I'm glad I got my bowl of fruit. Okay, so I have made it to Orlando train station, Amtrak train station, and now I just have to wait on my daughter to arrive. I am so proud of her. She drove from Atlanta all the way to Orlando without me. This is the furthest she has driven without me in the car. So I guess I can look forward to her doing that more often because she is the daughter of a road runner, okay? This is the Amtrak station in Orlando. Okay, I know my daughter is picking me up, but let's say that she wasn't picking me up from the Amtrak train station here in Orlando. I would take a shuttle service to the cruise port. They do have taxis, shuttles that are available that will drive you to the cruise port. A few of them are already out here. So this is the taxi service that can shuttle you to the cruise port. Okay, so the vans hold 7 passengers. The charge is $150 total. So whomever can fit can go for $150 to the cruise port. So that's what I wanted to share as far as getting from Amtrak train station to the cruise port. Like I said, my daughter is coming to pick me up. So, and then we'll be heading there. So that is my vlog on the Amtrak train ride, and that's it.